Hi everyone. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the jump strategy to solve decimal addition questions. So let's get started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to draw our number line. Alright, and then what we're going to do next is we're going to put the biggest number or the largest number on our number line. So the largest number I have here is 65 and 12/100ths. So I'm going to put 65 and 12/100ths on my number line. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to add our second number. Now, when we're adding decimals, the easiest way to think about it is with money. So right now I've got $65.12 and I'm plussing $12.23. So I want you to think of it like that way when we're adding the number. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our tens. So I've got 1/10, so I'm going to plus 1/10. So I'm going to have 75 and 12/100ths or 12 cents. All right, then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add my 1. So I've got 2 ones here. So I'm going to plus 1. So I'm going to have 76 and 12/100ths or 12 cents. And then I'm going to plus another 1, which is 77 and 12/100ths. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the decimal part of my number. Now, the value of 2 in this number is tenths, and the value of the 3 is hundredths. So when I write it as a decimal, it's going to look like this, 0.20. And then the hundredths number is going to look like this, 0.03. See how it looks like money? So what we're going to do now is we're going to add these two numbers to our addition question. All right, so I'm going to add the 0.20 to my number. So I'm going to break it into 0.10 and 0.10. So I'm going to add, so it's going to be 77 and 22/100ths or 22 cents. So pretend you're adding 10 cents to the number. Then I'm going to draw another line. Now the rest of my number. So start with 77 and 22/100ths or 22 cents. And I'm going to add my other 10th. So I'm going to have 77 and 32/100ths or 32 cents. All right, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my 3/100ths or my 3 cents. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up into 0.01. So I'm going to add 1 cent at a time. All right, so I'm going to plus 0.01. So 77 and 33/100ths or 33 cents. Then I'm going to plus another 1. It's going to be 77 and 34/100ths. And then my last one, I'm going to plus 0.01 and it's going to be 77 and 35/100ths. All right, so that is my answer. So 65 and 12/100ths plus 12 and 23/100ths or $65.12 plus $12.23 is $77.35 or it's 77 and 35/100ths. All right, so that's the video for today. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go back to the classroom activity you had for today, and this will help you with the decimal question in your activity. So please have a go, and if you have any questions, make sure you ask your classroom teacher on Google Classroom. Okay, bye.